Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can resize your video in CapCut. So here I have already import a landscape video, and let's say I want to resize it into another ratio. So what you need to do is go find the ratio options at the bottom, and here you'll find the preset size that you can choose. For example, I want to change it into a square video 1 by 1. Click on that and then just click on a check icon, and here after this you'll have two options. You can just zoom in the clip or you can crop it. So I'm going to show you how to zoom in first. So let's say I'm going to just zoom in the clip to fit into the canvas like this. Then you can just adjust the positions to the center. Okay, so that's the first option. The second option is you can just crop the video into the same size. So click on the video, go to edit, click on crop and select the 1 by 1 size. Then zoom out like this. Oops. And adjust. Click on a check icon and then you can zoom it in again like what you did before. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment and also subscribe. Bye.